Okeechobee County employees, dependents, and retirees. My name is Aurora, and today we are going to review the services offered at your Employee Health and Wellness Center. Your Employee Health and Wellness Center is located at 305 Northeast Park Street in Okeechobee, Florida. We are located next to the McDonald's and Regions Bank on 70. The location name is Okeechobee Urgent Care. There are 2 additional locations available for you to utilize free of charge. The first location is Stewart Urgent Care in Jensen Beach, Florida, across the street from the Treasure Coast Mall. And the second location that you could utilize is Highlands Urgent Care, and this is on George Boulevard in Sebring next to the watering hole. Each one of Treasure Coast Medical Associates' urgent care locations are open 7 days a week. Our hours are Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m., Saturday from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m., and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Who can utilize the clinic? Well, we've got 2 options available this year. The first option is employees, retirees, and their dependents that are currently enrolled in Okeechobee County's health plan. You can utilize the clinic. You can have medications dispensed from our pharmacy, labs ordered, and x-rays ordered free of charge. Option number 2 is brand new this year. Okeechobee County and Treasure Coast Medical Associates have partnered together to offer this amazing service to any Okeechobee County employee that is not enrolled in the county's health insurance plan. Not only is this option available to you, but for your dependents as well. This new service provides you and your loved ones access to a medical professional at any of the 3 TCMA locations 7 days a week. The monthly fee is going to depend on how many employees are taking advantage of this great service. If there are more than 800 participants, then the monthly fee is $40 per enrollee per month. If the participation falls below that $800 participants, then the monthly fee is $56 per enrollee per month. At your Employee Health and Wellness Center, we can take care of both your urgent care and primary care needs. Some examples of an urgent care need would be a sinus or ear infection, if you're having an allergic reaction, if you've got wound care that needs to be taken care of, or maybe you believe you need some stitches, if you have fallen and you've got a sprain or maybe even a fracture, of course your cold, cough, and fever, and then nausea and vomiting. Some example of primary care needs would be a health risk assessment, an annual physical. If you have children on your plan and they need a sport or school physical, come on in and see us. And of course, your chronic disease management and care for things like hypertension or diabetes. Now, if you don't see something on this list and you're curious if we can help you, just give us a call, 863-484-8154, and we can help answer that question for you. With your Employee Health and Wellness Center, we have something called Patient Portal. With Patient Portal, it gives you 24/7 access to your medical record. Once you're logged into Patient Portal, you can do things like request an appointment, or if you can't remember when you made your next appointment, you can log right onto the website and it'll tell you when your upcoming appointment is. With your Patient Portal, you also have 24/7 access to any of your documents. Some documents would include your lab results, if you had an x-ray and you want to look at the overread, and then of course if we've given you a discount card for any name brand medication, we also upload that to your chart in case you ever misplace it. Lastly, with your Patient Portal, you have the ability to update your medical record. If anything has happened recently and you've had a change to your medical record, it is vital that your medical provider has access to that information. Just go and log on to Patient Portal, update your medical record, and we will be notified. Did you know at your Employee Health and Wellness Center that we also have in-house diagnostic services? These services include labs, x-rays, and EKGs. The first diagnostic service that we're going to go over are labs. Now, if you're currently enrolled on the county's medical insurance plan, then any labs that are ordered by a TCMA provider will be drawn in-house, sent off, and resulted on within 4 business days, free of charge. If you have an outside specialty lab order that you need to have drawn, please call the office ahead of time to see if we can do that draw for you free of charge as well. Now, for those participants that are not on the county's health insurance plan, but are participating in the offer that TCMA in Okeechobee County has presented before you, which is option number 2, if you need any labs ordered, we can either draw them for you at a self-pay rate, or we can have a script given to you and you can have those labs drawn at the lab of your choosing. The next diagnostic service we're going to go over are x-rays. Now, let's say you're out on the weekend and you accidentally trip and fall and something just doesn't feel right. Not a problem. Come on in and see us. Each of our 3 urgent care locations has a full service x-ray. That x-ray is then sent off to a radiologist, and within 20 minutes, a radiologist gives us a full report of exactly what they see on your x-ray. Now, if you're not on the county's health insurance plan and you're taking advantage of option 2, then there will be a small fee for the overread. The last diagnostic service that we're going to go over is an electrocardiogram. An EKG is a painless, non-invasive way for a TCMA medical provider to diagnose many common heart problems in people of all ages. Some examples would be an irregularity in your heart rhythm or a structural problem within your heart. Now, this EKG can be done right in office, and within 10 minutes, we'll know exactly what's going on with your heart. Okeechobee Urgent Care also has an on-site pharmacy. Our pharmacy is stocked with generic medication for urgent care and disease management treatment. Please note that our pharmacy does not carry name brand medication, and the pharmacy also does not carry controlled substances. Now, if you're on Okeechobee County's health insurance plan, then these medications will be dispensed to you free of charge. Our disease management medication can be dispensed to you in a 90-day supply. If you're taking advantage of option number 2 and you're not on the county's health insurance plan, any medications that you need, your medical provider at any of TCMA's locations can e-prescribe that medication to the pharmacy of your choosing. All right, let's wrap up this presentation and do a final review. We've got 2 options this year for Okeechobee County employees. Option number 1 is if you are currently enrolled in Okeechobee County's health insurance plan, you can utilize Okeechobee Urgent Care and our 2 sister locations free of charge. While at the Employee Health and Wellness Center, if you need labs drawn, medications dispensed, or an x-ray performed, these services will be done free of charge. The new option that we have this year, option number 2, are for those Okeechobee County employees that are not enrolled in Okeechobee County's health insurance plan. For a flat fee per month, you and your loved ones can utilize the clinic free of charge. Now, while you're there, if you need any labs drawn, we can give that to you at a self-pay rate. If you need any medications dispensed, we can e-scribe that to the pharmacy of your choosing. And if you need an x-ray performed, then there's just going to be a small fee for that x-ray overread by the radiologist. Lastly, you will have your own private waiting room. You're going to be the first one that's seen. And then, of course, you've got Patient Portal, which makes your medical record available to you 24/7. That concludes my presentation. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. And once again, if you have any questions at all whatsoever about what Okeechobee Urgent Care or Treasure Coast Medical Associates can offer you, please give us a call at 863-484-8154. Thank you so much.